guys?
Thought we'd just take you on a little ride, a little Midwest ride into the blizzard.
Well, this isn't quite a blizzard.
It ain't a blizzard. It seems like a blizzard. It seems like it's constantly happening and dropping snow on us.
Yeah, but a blizzard, it's snowing so hard, it's so white you can't see through it.
Oh, a few minutes back it was like that.
Well, we haven't been in a whiteout since we
No.
left.
I bet one good shake of these trees.
That would be a whiteout.
That would be crazy. Seen a video where this man kicked a tree and it covered him and his dog. It looked like a winter wonderland. This looks like a winter wonderland. It's so pretty though. I don't totally hate it, you know. I don't hate it. As long as you're warm. Hope everybody's out there safe and
God, I
everything.
forgot about
for
this.
real. Huh? It's crazy. This is a weird winter. I might get an ATV. Is that what those things called that go through the snow? A snow sled? Or a snow?
Well, you got snow mobiles, or you can get an AT. I think the ATVs were 3-wheelers and the ATCs are 4. I think. I'm not exactly sure about it. I never got into
But be
it all that
careful.
much. Oh yeah, don't want to do like a friend of mine did. They were all going out and having a big day on their ATCs, and he started drinking early. And they got there where they're like 5 minutes, and he's running along, and he actually ran into a tree, went over the handlebars, broke his shoulder.
It's getting a little heavier up here, isn't it? Like it's changed a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. This is crazy. I think it is getting heavier, isn't it?
Yeah. At night when you're driving like this,
Yeah.
you see those coming at you, and it's like
What?
they're throwing.
Oh,
Yeah.
the flakes?
Yeah.
The only time I have at night driving is when the lights are directly on me. Like, that's
Yeah.
the only time. And I never really had a problem driving in the winter. Rain? Yeah, because hydroplaning and stuff. But this is almost wide out, Glenn. This is like...
It's getting there.
Oh, wow. It's still nothing like the South has, so I'm not
No.
complaining.
Yeah, when we left in Virginia, they've got a lot worse than this right now.
Oh God, that's the windshield wiper. I'm sure you figured that out. Sorry though, you know. Wow.
We got a 4-wheel drive behind me with a plow. He's been following us for a while, and either he's very courteous or he doesn't drive like a maniac in this stuff either.
Oh.
Because he's never got up behind us too close.
Maybe he's just taking his time.
Or he could just flat be a good driver.
Probably not in no hurry.
Yeah, so many of those guys get that plow on there. They got that 4-wheel drive going, and they're like, ah.
Yeah, I used to be a little crazy driver when I was a little bit younger, but I don't do that no more. I don't play around.
Yeah, see, the thing is, they get because they can take off so easy, they think, oh yeah, well, if I take off this easy, I can stop easy. And that's not true. I seen a guy had his little 4-wheel drive Dodge and come up to it, was turning off on a street, and as he got up there and was starting to turn off on the street, his front end slid and he ran right into a car.
That's sad.
I mean, it was just a fender bender type
But
thing, but still, you know, it's an insurance claim and it could have been a lot worse. Gal I used to work with, she had a 4-wheel drive, and she says, my 4-wheel drive is to get me out if I get stuck.
Right.
She says, I do not run 4-wheel drive unless I absolutely need it to like get out of being stuck or get through a pile of something. And she says, other than that, I don't do it.
At least it's falling straight. Is it better to fall? No, drifts would be worse, right?
Yeah.
Because that one looked like a drift over there. It was covering the whole back door almost.
Yeah, that happens.
That would give me anxiety if I opened up a door and see nothing but a wall of snow. I'd be scared. Like, that'd give me claustrophobic, you know?
Yep.
Oh, like, I am claustrophobic. I freak out if something happens in an elevator and it would stop, you know?
Oh, yeah, I would too. In an elevator, you don't know how long it's going to be before they get you out.
Well, yeah, it happened once. It got me out quickly, but I was freaking out. But I'm claustrophobic. I mean, I didn't make an embarrassment out of myself, that kind of level. But let me tell you, in my head, I was losing it. I was trying to keep it together. But when the door finally came open, I was out of there. I'm like, never going to get in that elevator again. And then it did go down again because it was at a place I worked and it crashed to the floor. Nobody was in there though. To the ground, into the basement. And I'm like, wow. It was the same elevator. That would hurt. Well, guys, we're almost at our destination. I hope you enjoyed this little Midwest winter ride, winter wonder ride, and we'll check you out on the next video. Bye.